Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Simesi in case you don't already know, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my updated makeup routine. This is the routine I've been doing and I've been loving so far, and I'm going to share with you the deets, the process, the products I'm loving and using right now. I'm sharing everything in this video. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. This is my face freshly washed. It's very important to start with a clean base, and then I'm just going to go ahead and prep my skin. The first thing I'm going to use to moisturize my skin is the coarse snail mucin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm just going to take 3 pumps and then I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So the next moisturizer I'm going to be using is the Omari Code moisturizer. I'm almost out, guys, so I'm just going to take a little bit of pump, a little bit of that, and then apply it, especially around my eyes because my eyes dry out a lot. I have combination skin, so the rest of my face is oily, but under my eyes are very dry. So I'm just gonna go in with that moisturizer and just go in under my eyes, and of course the rest of my face. Now my lovelies, once we're done moisturizing, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin. I'm gonna go in with the Zaron primer. Just gonna warm that up like this and then apply it to my skin. So for foundation, I normally use these 2 foundations to get my perfect shade, and this is the Huda Beauty and Noban Beauty foundation. Noban Beauty in the shade Queen Sheba D16, and then for Huda Beauty I have it in Peanut Butter Cup, and this 2 just works amazing for me. I love how the formula actually becomes when I mix them together. I've been using it for over a year now and I'm stuck actually. Now I'm going to be going in with my Younger Beauty foundation brush. This is the brush I absolutely love to blend with. It just makes it so blendable and it's very nice. Just look at that. Look at that. I take it down to my neck because my neck is actually darker than my body. I'm going to take my beauty blender now and then blend this out some more. I have my beauty blender in a towel because this helps it become damp. You do not want to use your beauty blender when it's wet because that's just going to make your makeup come out patchy. Okay, so I'm going to go in and blend. I put some more product on the beauty blender, okay? Put some more product in and then go in and blend it in. So my lovelies, this is what it's looking like once we're done blending our foundation. It's looking a little bit dark, but we're going to bring that in with our concealer later on. But this is what the final blending is looking like. I love it. I really love the finish of my foundation. No jokes. So now my lovelies, it's time for highlight and contour. I'm going to go in with the Younger Beauty Smooth Match Concealer. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that. And then I'm just going to put it under my eyes, but not too close to my eyelid because that's going to cause creasing. So I'm just going to gently put that in. Normally for contouring, I'll go in with my Younger Beauty concealer. This is in the shade SMC6, but today I decided to use the TM Essential Watch Me blush. I really don't know how it will go. I've been seeing this on the internet a lot and I was influenced, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to try it out. So this is what it's looking like. I'm using the shade Cocoa. Okay. Ooh, that's dark. That's so dark. I'm just going to put in a little bit. I'm not really a fan of the smell of this. It smells very, I don't know, factory. I don't like the smell. So now I'm going to go ahead to blend with my flat brush. This is the Vika brush in NK4. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. So now I'm gonna go in and blend our concealer. After letting it sit a little bit, I'm gonna go in and start blending, leaving my under eyes for last. So now, my loves, I'll be going into bronze, and I'm using the bronze by TM Essentials. This is in the shade, I can't find the shade. I can't find the shade, oh my god. Okay, this is in the shade tan, found it. Okay, so I'll be going into bronze. Lovelies, these two bad boys right here, they are my new favorite actually. I'm just trying them out today, and what, oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna go into setting the face. We're gonna set everything we've put in place. Okay, so for setting the face, the first thing I'm gonna go ahead to do is to make sure that everywhere I put my cream is well settled. I don't have cream like in the creases of my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out any residue. So before I go into bake, I'm going to go ahead with my powder puff and a bit of setting powder. I'm using the Mirac Cosmetics setting powder. I'm going to dust off the excess at the back of my palm, and then I'm just going to press it in. So I'll be using the same Mirac Cosmetics to bake my face. This is in the shade Cinnamon. So now we're done setting our highlight area. I'm going to go in and set my contour area. I'm just going to be using the same brush from earlier that I used in blending to set. This is the Blot Flawless Matte Pressed Powder in shade Cola. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my contoured area. Is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. First all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. Oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own. Sure you got places to go. I just want you alone, oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby it's hard for me too, oh yeah. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You
'cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just leave today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you.
So my lovelies, this is what we're having so far. This is where we are at right now. And now I'm just gonna go in with the So Pro Cosmetics. Like this spray, the Seal spray actually went viral, like viral. So I'm gonna go ahead to spray that into my beauty blender and dab it onto my face. I don't really like spraying directly. It's not for me, but if it works for you, I mean, why not? So
So my lovelies, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, my lovelies, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Mwah.